My Siri thinks I'm her husband, so it's displaying my AirPods as husband's AirPods. And when I actually ask a question, it's like, yes, husband. But anyways, guys, this is my review and unboxing of my Apple AirPods for my iPhone 8 Plus. Hey guys, I bought myself a pair of these Apple AirPods, guys. As you guys know, I have an iPhone. I've been using iPhones for a while. I prefer doing some video editing on an iPhone, and I kind of thought these might actually come in pretty handy. I actually bought these things directly from Apple. I actually went on their website and ordered these type of AirPods. Now, upon actually making this voiceover for this video, I already had a chance of actually trying them out and using them, so I could actually tell you exactly the experience after using them already for about a month. Here's one of the cool beneficial things. If you are a YouTuber and you make live YouTube videos and you have your AirPods connected, for some reason it actually uses the audio from the AirPods. Now, I've heard people claim that these things don't have noise canceling. I'm not sure if that's true, because I'm driving a pretty loud vehicle every single day, and whenever I'm actually going like highway speed and I'm recording a live show, I'm actually not getting any of the noises that I normally would get, that the actual iPhone speakers would actually pick up. And I'm using an iPhone 8 Plus 256 gigabyte version, and it actually has really awesome type of microphone and speakers, but still it picks up a lot of the road noise. So anyways, got the top portion off. Let's see if they actually included any stickers in here. Looks like we got some manuals, some booklets, but obviously no stickers. This is basically how to set them up, but you don't have to read this. I'm going to tell you exactly what's going on. Now, upon actually removing the AirPods from the little docking station for that little box, and you have them closely located to your iPhone device, it immediately recognizes them. I don't care if you take this to your next iPhone, it recognizes the next iPhone. No need to go to Bluetooth and set anything on. Of course, you need to have your Bluetooth on. And when you remove one AirPod and you put it in your ear, it immediately turns it on for you, and you're gonna have Bluetooth working. So this is the kind of little rubber protective casing that it comes in. Let's go ahead and pull this thing off. Now, I actually enjoy this little box. Now, in the beginning, I kind of thought, what am I gonna do with the AirPods or this little box, once it's out? But here's actually the way I do it. I use it kind of like a little carrying case. While you put your AirPods in there, it actually charges, charges in the little case. Now, guys, here's what I noticed. The charge time on these things is not great. I'm not sure what Apple claims. I've heard 7 to 12 hours. I'm not sure how true that is, because it's definitely not getting that for me. I'm not complaining, because these things in the ears, they're not that comfortable to begin with. They're kind of plasticky, and if you got, ears of a various shape, they're not going to work for you. Obviously not for everybody. They do sell some rubber pieces that you could put over them, and it definitely helps to keep these AirPods in. I will include a link for the Amazon store in the description below, so you could pick those things up. I'm not selling them, but I bought myself a set, and I'm going to tell you, they're keeping these things in my ear. Now, here's what I kind of did recognize. Because these things are kind of like, plasticky, and you put them in the ear. I mean, they're quality, don't get me wrong. You put them in the ear. After a while, your ear is going to begin to maybe sweat or get its natural oils and stuff. And before you know it, these things are going to be like slipping out. So obviously, I would not be going out and, for a run with these type of AirPods. So when I'm basically out and about, and let's say I'm going to the restaurant and somebody gives me a call, I say, hold on. I pull out my Apple AirPods. I open them up like this. And the right piece, this is for the right ear, and on the left is for the left ear. So I just pulled out a right portion out. So I'm actually going to stick it in the ear, and I'm going to actually show you how to set these things up really quickly. So we're in my iPhone right now, and you could clearly see this is all my devices. And where is my AirPods? I think they're already connected, but right now I just put them on, and you could clearly see, look, immediately the AirPods just connected. right to the device. It was really quick and easy. You know, so I'm actually going to show you where you could clearly see it. There's a little pop-up that comes up, and you could see that it connects. Now guys, I find that once you finish actually talking on the phone, it's best to just go ahead and open up your box, stick the AirPods back in there, and put this thing back in your pocket, and you go about your business the normal way. And while they're in your pocket, they're going to continue charging. Now, if you want to listen to music for like a couple hours, it's fine. You could listen to music. By the way, a cable comes with the AirPods. No charging brick, but you do get a cable. And no stickers. I'm not sure why they don't put stickers anymore. But anyways, guys, that's what's included in the box. Overall, I have a love and hate relationship with these things. I kind of do love them because it is for my Apple iPhone, and they do connect really easily. And the sound on them for the microphone is incredible. Perfect for Siri, perfect for voiceovers and stuff. And I really like the fact that when I make a live video on YouTube, it actually uses my AirPods to make that live video. So I hope you guys like my little review.
Serge,
Please
ZIMALETA.
subscribe and
I'm
like my
37
video.
years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprint or Expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.